Can you give your dog melatonin? It may help with anxiety, sleep problems, and certain conditions, but proper dosing matters. Melatonin is a natural hormone that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. In dogs, it may support relaxation and restful sleep. General doses range from 0.5 to 1 milligram for small dogs, and up to 6 milligrams for larger dogs. Dogs under 10 pounds may receive 0.5 to 1 milligram, while 25 to 50-pound dogs may receive 1.5 to 3 milligrams. For dogs weighing 50 to 100 pounds, the general range is 3 to 6 milligrams. Larger dogs may require different guidance. These are general reference ranges, not individual prescriptions. Your veterinarian should determine the appropriate dose and frequency. Always check the ingredients carefully. Never give your dog melatonin containing xylitol, which is highly toxic to dogs. Always check the ingredients: drowsiness and lethargy, digestive upset, appetite changes, or unusual behavior. Before giving melatonin, talk with your veterinarian, especially if your dog is young, has medical conditions, or takes other medications. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.